How unfortunate. You look so lonely, so I thought I should give you some company. Aw, I didn't think you'd die so soon. I wanted to toy with you some more. I love the face you make when I kill you. Let's play hide and go die. I'll hide and you die. Oh, I love the face you make when I kill you.
You did not want to die. You should have bought my plush toy. I hunted you down in your dreams, and now I'll make your afterlife a living hell. Was it me? I will enjoy picking your flesh out of my teeth.
If you thought I looked monstrous before, just look at me now. You would have survived had you bought my plush toy. This must be the worst day of your life.
Guess who? If you thought I was annoying before, just wait. I can get so much more annoying. I'm not big on flashlights anymore. I just want to scare you.